Yeah, that's what it reminds me of. Look at all the colours. This makes me happy. You'd be like, you're vegan. Meditation at some of the hot springs. It's I can't remember the exact name, but I'll show you. We're just going for our morning meditation for 11, then we're going to hang around in like the pool hot spring area. So that's really nice. I just rented a scooter. We've been into Arm Garden for avocado and toast for breakfast, and there's a lovely group of us as well. I introduce you to everyone soon, like later on. But yeah, it's amazing. Pai is just like home again. I just feel like I came home. What do you think, Ashley?
Well, I think everything's fantastic. That's what I think.
Like, yeah, everything's fantastic. Yeah. But yeah, it's amazing.
This is where you stay when you do the meditation.
Oh, nice. I am thinking about that. They do a 3-day meditation, and you stay here, and it's got your food, and it's 1,500 baht. And I think it sounds like I might do it when Ashley goes. We're just relaxing in the hot springs. There's a hot one, a cold one, and a warm one. It's so nice. This one here is the hot one, this one here is the cold one, and this one over here is like the warm one. And it's 150 baht to get in. You get a towel and a water. So that's amazing. It's such a nice place just to chill out. It's really, really beautiful here. Kombucha.
Smell vinegar.
Passion fruit kombucha for us all. Nice little family outing.
Sandwich.
Tempeh sandwich.
Walnut masala deep with 2 pieces of nana.
Yep.
I put on there, yes.
Yeah.
A lot of things coming up. Yeah, sure. No more room. Yeah. Not finished yet.
We're back at Earth 2, and I just look, guys. How could what can we say more than just perfection? Yeah.
Do we have one serving spoon or something?
One more spoon?
Yeah, one more spoon.
Yes. Yeah, we just absolutely destroyed that. Like, all in a good day of work. Just been to look around some of the hostels, and they're all full. We're doing 2 days here, so we'll have to check out tomorrow morning to find somewhere else to try, because I stayed here last year as well. But we don't know what's going on. And look at my hair. Oh.
you want me to get some of you on that camera? I did a few of you.
Oh, that's hot. I think it's too hot for me to get in. Really? Yeah.
Too hot to get in? If it's too hot for you, it's definitely too... Wow.
How hot is that, Bebe?
That's too hot for me. Definitely too hot.
Came to the hot springs and oh my god, it's hot. So hot. Just get in.
That's real hot. That's hot.